Salam Doctor, my name is Tee Yu Cheng, metric number 294033, and I'm also the leader of the group A1. And the title of our group assignment is about the film of the analysis of the metrics and exploring the reality, technology, and the human consciousness. And role of me in the infographic is to about the content, and my role was summarize and organize the key ideas into the simple and the clear content for the infographic. I will make sure all about the complex philosophy behind the metrics were easy to understand and visually to engaging for the audience. Then one of the challenge I face when I interpreting the complex philosophy themes in the metrics is particular how the film questions the nature of the reality and the role of the technology in shaping the human consciousness. And to address the challenge, I conduct the additional research on the key philosophical concepts such as the Plato algorithm, the cave, and discuss the skepticism and the boundaries theory of the simulation. And this helps us to develop a deeper understandings and enable us to present the clearer and more insightful analysis in our assignment.
Hi everyone, my name is Tee Yu, metric number 296651, and for this project, I was in charge of the conclusion part. Even though the conclusion comes at the end, it's actually super important. It's where everything comes together. My job was to work up the main idea from our project, the plot summary, the theme analysis, and the points made by my teammates. At first, it was a big thesis. I didn't want the conclusion to just repeat everything we already said. I want it to feel meaningful, like it really ties things up and gives people something to think about. So I went through all the other sessions carefully, put out the key idea and tries to highlight the deeper questions, the things we raise, like what's real and how technology affects the way we think and live. Writing the conclusion took a few drafts. I have to play around with the wording to make sure it flows well and makes sense. I also taught my teammates a lot to get their input, so the final vision reflects all of our work, not just mine. In the end, the test helps me get better at summarizing ideas and thinking about the biggest pictures. And honestly, it made me appreciate the things on a whole new level. That's all for me. Thanks for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Prasetya Dwi, metric number 281668. I'm in charge of the objective for the film analysis of the Matrix 1999, exploring reality, technology, and human consciousness. So the challenges that I get from this group project is that how to identify the philosophical issue and theorem about the Matrix virtual world itself, the AI that is used inside the film, and human conscience of we as a watcher and the character inside the film itself. And then the other one is that exploring those findings inside the metric context. But what I mean is that uh, what is the problem that is faced by those actors or actresses or the characters inside the film itself, and what I do to overcome these kinds of problems is that I need to empathy, sympathy, to the characters, and then understanding more philosophical and the heart of those characters itself.
Hi everyone, my name is Humala Ghadi Rabbani. My metric number is 291127. For this infographic assignment, I was responsible for the introduction session. For our group is choosing philosophy of technology as our theme of this assignment, and we choose the matrix. for our movie that we will analyze for. And one of the challenges I faced while working on this assignment was summarizing the complex
Okay, so here is
philosophical
about the
ideas
evidence of the
from
discussions
the
that
Netflix,
we're
the
discussing
film,
in the
into
WhatsApp
a
group. And now is the
clear
proof
and
of the video
consistent
editing.
production. Since the
And this one is the proof of
film
the poster
explore
editing.
deep themes like reality,
And the last one is the website
illusions,
that we are browsed to get the
and
material.
role of technology in human perception. It was difficult to simplify those ideas without losing their meanings. That's all from me. Thank you.